This is like my first time trying like a summer glowy makeup look, so I just really don't know what I'm doing. So I hope this works out because I woke up really early to film this. I wanted like this really nice lighting for it, so you could really see like, I guess, the glowy products that I'm using. So hopefully this works out and it doesn't look dumb. I'm gonna put on some extra serum because my face just feels so dry. I've been using this Innisfree hydrating serum, and usually I put this on before my moisturizer, but I just forgot today. But my skin has been feeling really dry, just like around here and here, and only when I put on moisturizer, which is weird because I don't have dry skin. So anyways, I've been putting that on under my moisturizer, and it's seriously been helping so much. I'm not gonna put on like a full face of anything. I'm just going to put on some concealer because I really just want my natural skin to show through. And then just a little bit on top of the pigmentation. Gonna do my brows. I have this fine liner brow pencil from Cosmetics, and I'm so annoyed. So I've been using Depop, or taupe. I've been using the other color. It's darker than this one. This one's brunette, and I lost it. I don't know where it is. I'm so frustrated. So I'm gonna use this one because I really want to use this brow pencil today because I really like it. But brunette is like just dark enough, but I like the Depop one because it's a little darker. This brow pencil is really good. I haven't really been using brow pencils. My go-to is usually the 100% pure brow color thing. And it's kind of like a pomade, I think. And it's really good. I really, really like it. And I still use it a lot, but ever since I got this, I've been using this. So there's a spoolie on the other side. I just take it and I just kind of go like this because otherwise it looks very sharp and boxy, and that's not really, I don't really want my brows to look like that. All right, now I'm gonna take this, and I kind of wanted to go for a like a juicy kind of look, so I kind of wanted to play with like pinks and reds, I guess. And so this is the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette, and I got this in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which is like where you get full-size products. But ta-da! Really pretty. I'm gonna take this color right here. I'm just gonna lightly put this on my eyes. That's really pretty, but then I open my eyes and it's gone. I like using my fingers when I just want like a light layer of eyeshadow because I can really just smudge it out. Okay, I think that's good enough. And then I'm going to take this. This is from Flesh Beauty, and I've never used this before, but I've always wanted to. They sent me this a while ago. This is the Flesh Pot Eye Cheek Gloss, and this is in the shade Enchantment. And I'm just gonna take a little bit. I feel like this is gonna give like my eyes a little bit of glow, but I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Try and bring it up a little bit higher than my lid, kind of like I do my eyeshadow. I'm just gonna bring it up to about here and then just see, because I want to be able to see like the glossy lid, but I know that it's going to be difficult since if you have monolids, you know. So I'm gonna go back to this palette. I'm gonna take this color right here, and I'm just going to put this on my lower lash line. I don't want to really add the flesh cheek thingy on my, or gloss thing on my under eye, because I'm scared of getting it in my eye, but I think the shadow will do just fine. I'm gonna put a little bit of this color on my inner corners. I don't know if this is gonna show up at all or help. Okay, and then let's just clean it up a little bit. All right, I'm going to use this. I should have done this first, to be quite honest, but this is the Bia Last Auto Gel Liner. I totally should have done this first. It's fine, okay. I just want to darken my eyes a little bit because I just feel like my eyebrows are so dark and then my eyes have like no, my eyes are really light. So I just want to darken it up a bit. Oh my gosh, this is not gonna work because the gloss is all over it. If you guys are watching this tutorial, put this on first. This is a trial and error glossy lid tutorial. Again, I should have done this before, but I'm gonna take those, the B&B dual liner. I'm gonna take the brown side and I'm just gonna try and create a little bit of a wing right here. Yeah guys, seriously do this before you put on the gloss. Also, sorry if I'm shifting like positions a lot. It's because it's 7, so the light is, or the sun is rising, and so this light is changing. So I was sitting over here, but it's too overexposed, so now I'm sitting over here. Okay, now I'm going to do blush, and I have this. This is from Kaja Beauty, and it's their heart stamp blush. So I just, and then I just lightly press the hearts on because this is a very strong color. I totally forgot to do my eyelashes, so I'm gonna take my eyelash curler. I was gonna do false lashes, but I wanted to try and just see if I could just use my regular lashes. My lash lift is pretty much gone now, so I have to do my best. So a lot of you guys were asking me if I had any tips on curling my lashes and whatever, just doing my lashes, and I'll link a video that taught me how to curl my lashes that I like, and then I'll link another video on the, like, I guess the mascara combo that I use, and I'll have it linked down below too. But with those two videos combined, that should show you. I mean, I would show you myself, but I just feel like those two videos are so much better at explaining than me, and so I just want to give you the best tutorial. Hey, that did pretty good. I'm gonna put a little bit more of the pot on my eye because I just feel like you can't really like see the glossiness that I'm trying to portray. I'm just gonna focus on the top area because that's all people are really gonna see when I open my eyes. Okay, now I'm gonna do lips, and I have this. This is from Kaja Beauty. You guys saw this in my favorite lip products video, but it's their gloss. This one's in the shade Sweet Talk. It's such a pretty color. It's like perfect. All right, and then for the finale. Okay, so I got this. This is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Body Lava, and I'm going to put this all over my chest. I really wanted to use this. This was like why I wanted to try and do like a glowy makeup look, because I wanted to use this. Just gonna try it on one side first. Holy crap, it looks so good. By the way, this is in the shade Who Needs Clothes. And I picked this one because I thought it was just a really nice, like, light kind of shimmery color. The other ones have like tints, have like color tints to them, I guess. And I really want to use those one day, but I wanted to try this one first. Definitely something I'd wear if I was going out in like a top like this, or if I was going to a festival or something, because wow, it's seriously so pretty. Actually, I was gonna say I was done, but I want to try this. This is also Flesh Beauty Disco Nap, the Flesh Eye and Cheek Gloss. I forgot I had this like nice champagne color, and I just want to see if this will do a more glowy, or will add more glow. I just kind of wanted a little bit more of like a glossy look. I definitely think this makes my face look more like, I don't know. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, I wanted a more like glossy glow, and I think this does that a little bit better. I will say though, when you put this on right here, you're gonna see your pores really well. It's like bringing out my pores a lot more, but I don't really mind that because skin is skin. Ooh, wait, I like it. It kind of looks oily, but like nice oily. Ooh, okay, I really like that. So I'm gonna add this. This is Flush Beauty Disco Nap. Really good, I like it. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I think for winging it, I feel like I did a pretty good job. I'm trying to do a little bit more stuff with my makeup looks because I know a lot of you guys also have monolids, and you've been requesting that I do different eye makeup looks, but that one's kind of hard for me too because I don't really know what I'm doing. Everything is kind of just like trial and error like today. So, but most of the time it doesn't work out very well, which is why those videos don't go up. But today I feel like I did a pretty good job. But anyways, I hope that you guys really liked it, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye. So I just wanted to add this really quick before I end the video. This look is really, really pretty and really glossy and glowy, but it's very sticky. The little like gloss things that I used from Flesh, like they're so pretty and nice, but I put it like all over my face, right? So my hair keeps getting stuck to my face. So I just wanted to add that in because I would definitely wear this still out if I just wore my hair up in a ponytail. I wouldn't wear it with my hair down just because my hair is getting stuck everywhere on my face. But it is like a sticky kind of look, which I mean, no surprise because it's like glossy products. So I just wanted to mention that before I go. Be realistic. Okay, bye.